Hi guys, hi viewers. Here at Marikina Bridge. Here at Marikina Bridge. This is Marikina River, guys. This is the Marikina River. Here our place in Marikina City. Very quiet here, guys. Very beautiful place. Very busy city. Very busy city siya, guys. Rush hour na, guys. Rush hour na, kaya traffic na. Ayan, guys, rush hour na. Marami nang papasok sa trabaho. Pa-duty na rin ako, guys. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to like and share and comment down below. Share for more. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you. Bye bye.